161 acres located at North 1000 Road, Lawrence, Kansas. This stunning property features soaring views, a sweeping valley, lots of untouched timber, room for crops, and paved roads on 2 sides. This picturesque location is located just minutes from town. Get inspired by the beautiful sunsets, sunrises, and the abundance of wildlife. Several creeks run through the property, with plenty of room for a large pond. This property provides an excellent opportunity to subdivide and for possible future development. For more information, contact Randy Russell of Stevens Real Estate